Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys, I am going to show you guys how can you change your pattern lock in your Technophone device. Guys, you want to change guys your pattern lock, so guys you can change. And guys, now let's see how to change pattern lock in our Technophone. In this video guys, I will show you guys. So first of all guys, we will unlock our pattern, and guys we will click on phone setting to change it. Then guys, you can see this type of setting. Then guys, scroll it guys, click on guys your security setting. Then guys, again scroll guys, click on your screen lock setting, and guys draw your pattern first of all which you have now. And guys, again guys, click on pattern. Then guys, you can see again this notification. Then guys, tap here, and guys, new pattern guys we will change. So example for guys, I will change into this Z, but guys you can change yourself. So I will take this Z again guys, two time, confirm. Then guys, come back, and guys you can check guys your pattern has changed or not. So as you can see guys, first pattern guys we have L, and now Z. So I hope friends you have understood how to change pattern. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.